For the best experience, please watch this video on a phone or tablet. Set the resolution to high. Stand up and pan your phone to look around. A changing climate is impacting farmers around the world and threatening food security. The Aga Khan Rural Support Program India is supporting farming communities to build climate resilience through practical and locally driven regenerative agriculture solutions. Today, Guru Dutt Mangrolia is in Madhya Pradesh. He is here to empower community members to make their own biopesticide using only free, organic, locally available ingredients. To do so, Guru Dutt uses a blended learning approach. He first shows a short video, filmed locally, about biopesticides. After discussing its benefits, Guru Dutt works with community members to collect natural inputs and make biopesticide.
5 तरह के अलग-अलग पत्तियां काटेंगे, तो सब बारीक काटना अच्छे से। अलग-अलग रखेंगे ना। अपने दवाई जो है जल्दी ये पत्तियां जल्दी गलेगी। ये देखो, ये नाने भाई को देखो, नाने भाई जैसे कर रहे थे ऐसे करो। जरा जोर लगाओ।
Biopesticides are healthier for plant and animal life and for people. Part of regenerative farming practices, they are also climate smart. The Aga Khan Rural Support Program India has been empowering rural communities across 4 states in India since 1983. It is currently active in more than 3,000 villages of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, and Maharashtra, where it is working to improve community climate resilience and quality of life.